Ang binabasa kong book ngayon currently is Paulo Coelho, The Winner Stands Alone. This is about Igor, a Russian millionaire who has a wife, and it talks about Cannes Festival, a fashion. This is all about, it's about fashion as well. So, may asawa siyang fashion designer and ganyan-ganyan. May mga murder, mga ganon. Pero I'm not sure if this is a true to life story. I think this is fiction. Let's see. But this is about Cannes Festival. So, doon naganap yung so, tingnan natin kung fiction or